Oh god, my hair is a mess. I just totally woke up. Did my skincare, and I'm going to use the Elta, it's a little bright, the Elta MD Broad Spectrum SPF 41 after my skincare sinks in a little bit more. I'm not really in a rush. It's really, really, really gloomy outside. Sunscreen is still important though, but I am gonna wait till this sinks in and just organize my room and then apply this, because when I apply the sunscreen on kind of still damp skin, it tends to peel on me. This is better for me in the summertime, but I'm still trying to finish it up because it's gonna get colder soon and I'm not gonna be able to use this one until next year, and I really just want to finish it. I'm just gonna organize my room. It's a little messy right now. I mean, I just got up, so my desk is fine though. So it's just making the bed right now. Time to go in. I'm gonna do a 2-finger method today. I find it that it's really hard for it to come out of this tube because the opening is so tiny. So I kind of wish it was a little wider. Make sure to wear sunscreen daily, indoors, outdoors, rainy or not. Super important to protect yourself, not just because of, you know, anti-aging reasons, but also because of skin cancer. Coffee's actually already made, and I know if anybody else does this, let me know. Whatever coffee is left here, it's a little bit cold, so I still heat it up right here, just in the stove top. I add my milk to it because usually the milk makes the coffee colder and I don't want to microwave it or bother, so I just add the milk here, perfect amount, and then I heat it up together. Oops. Yesterday I asked you guys what you like to see more of on my Instagram. I kind of want to add a little bit more lifestyle in it and not just be all about products. I'm sorry, they have construction going on and it's always going on, especially when I'm talking. And a lot of you guys said hair, which I do want to implement more of that. It'll honestly motivate me to do my hair more. You guys said food and a lot of outfit and makeup and jewelry and just fashion. So I am going to try to integrate more fashion, especially now that I have time because of COVID and I'm not really going out, but I still have clothes that I want to wear. At least I'll be able to shoot with them in my little room. So even though I just organized this morning, it's back to being a complete mess. And let me tell you, props to people that do this like outfit thing for a living or even just as a hobby, because it is tough. I've been sitting in front of my camera like on my bed because my bedroom is not the cutest for the longest time and it is so hard to get a good shot. Let me show you these beautiful shades from Desi. I was lucky enough to be one of the people that was able to get them during the initial launch. I know they're coming out with, if they didn't already, with a second launch, and these are fallback. I also got, no, these are Charge It. I also got fallback, which I don't know where they are right now, so I can't show you that one, but this is the one that I initially went for, that I've been eyeing since they first announced they were gonna release these glasses, and they are stunning. Let me tell you, I went to Bloomingdale's and I was eyeing these Givenchy ones for like $400 to $500, and they were low-key almost like these but a bit uglier, but I ended up getting these and they are way prettier. They feel heavy, like the same amount of heaviness, and they have a beautiful gold detailing right here and as well on the nose part. In the beginning, I was kind of turned off because these feel really heavy to the point where they started sliding down my nose. But for some reason now it's like completely fine and doesn't do that. Fallback, I was actually disappointed in the beginning because I thought they were way too big on my face, but now I'm used to them and they're my dailies. You know, when I have them. Now I don't know where they are, but I will find them and they'll become my dailies again. So let me just finish shooting this because I'm getting really hot right now. Like, really hot, and I want to turn on the AC. I want to put on some music. If you guys want to know what songs I've been loving lately, give this video a like. Also comment down below because I would like to make like a monthly favorites of songs that I can't stop listening to. Not necessarily new songs, but just songs that I can't get out of my head. This? I don't know what that is. What's this? Can you tell me what I'm eating?
Seared scallop with Japanese made. You like it?
No.
Lemon golden crunchy roll.
Sounds good.
Okay.
They blocked the tofu.
See that?
People pass by me with my phone. That's embarrassing. Like the first guy with the water, I'm like, why are you taking so long to get my damn straw? Oh yes, this is what I'm talking about.
It's the stuff you like? Is that tofu skin? Oh yeah, that is the stuff you like. You should try that.
You want it? Want to taste it?
No, I'm okay.
Want me to bite?
Snapper.
Snapper.
I like the snapper.
Yeah, I don't know. This is the best I've had so far. Like
I don't know how I
snapper.
feel about that. Spicy pop. I feel like we're not getting all the selection because we're like late. You know what I mean?
What flavors do we have here?
You got a Reese's Manif.
Oh my god, they put everything in one
Yeah, no.
place.
Peanut butter explosion, Snickerdoodles, and this is creme brulee.
Looks interesting.
This is it's an almond cookie thing.
It's huge.
Let me try this creme brulee right here.
Honestly, I think the only snickerdoodle one I've had is the protein one.
Oh, yeah.